Let me show you 9 high-income AI-based businesses that you can start even today. You don't need to have money. You don't need to have a lot of capital. You might be a 9-to-5 worker. You might be a student. You might even be a 40-year-old and above. These AI businesses are what you can start. And I am sure that at least one of it is something that you can start right away, even after watching this video. It's only for you to just take action. So if this title interests you, even just a bit, please hit the subscribe button and like this video so that even more people can get to see the video. Before I start, if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Entrepreneurial Erioluwa, and on this channel, I help you to discover and help you to uncover the business ideas that you might not even be thinking of. And I help you to grow and build these businesses by sharing my own entrepreneurship journey. So if this is something that interests you and you're looking for somebody to grow with, somebody to learn from, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, because on this channel we'll share everything as practical as possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Yes. So here are 9 high-income AI-based businesses that you can actually start with no money. Let's be very real here, okay? The first one is AI social media management. You can use AI to automate things, to schedule posts, to help people to run their social media accounts and platforms, and that can be a business that you can start with no money. So you can definitely use Buffer to help with that. So you can help people to manage their social media accounts, and that can definitely be a business for you. The next one is AI video editing. You can definitely help people to edit their videos using AI. You can use different AI tools. You can use Captions AI to help people to, put captions in their video, to edit their videos and make it absolutely yummy and, look very interesting for people to watch, especially as content. The third one is AI graphics designing. You can use AI to help people to create brand logo, to do their branding, and to build up, very outstanding branding for their businesses. So you can definitely use AI to achieve that. And Canva AI is one that we all are very familiar with. Using Canva AI can help to fast track your AI graphics designing business. So you can definitely turn that into a sustainable business that you can do for people repeatedly, and you can earn some extra income from doing that. The fourth one on my list is AI specialized tutoring. Yes, if you know one particular AI tool very well, like in and out about a specific AI tool, do you know that you can actually teach people that particular AI tool? So if you have been able to study an AI tool to the fact that you know how it works, you know the do's, you know how to optimize it and use it maximally, you can be the go-to person that people can come to learn about that particular AI tool. Let's say you know how to use ChatGPT very well, then you can now start putting out content, teaching people about how to use ChatGPT, how to get the most out of ChatGPT. That's just for an example. So no matter what the AI tool is, you can be a specialized tutor to teach other people about how to use that particular AI tool. And you can start that absolutely with the free version of any AI with no startup capital. The number 5 AI-based business that you can start right away is AI music production. See, music is part of life. Music is part of our life. So people love entertainment. People want music in their content. People need music for their video creation, for their content, and a lot. Even children, everybody, people love to learn more using music. Some people, just love listening to music. So you can definitely be a music producer. You can definitely help people to produce music. You can actually also produce your own music with AI, and that can be a sustainable business that you can even do for other people to pay you for. The next one is AI content creation agency. See, I will keep saying this over and over. A lot of people are becoming creators day after day. You can be the go-to content creator agency that anybody or any creator can run to, or anybody who needs content for their brand can come to, because many times people just want to focus on selling their businesses or selling their products. So you can create a business by, doing content creation agency and helping people to create content for their brand. The next one is AI video production. You can definitely use AI to produce videos, marketing videos, faceless videos like animation videos, explainer videos. You can use AI to help produce these videos for brands, for different kind of people who need video content. So AI can definitely be used to put these videos together. You can use tools like InVideo and Runway ML to create AI videos. The next one is AI prompt engineering. If you know how to use AI very well, you can use data, trends, and whatever to be able to prompt AI to give very specific results. Then you can put that together into packages that you can sell to businesses. For example, you can create prompts based on industries, based on trends, based on people, based on data, and you can sell it out to small businesses so that when people give the right prompt to AI, they can in return get the specific result or the real result that they want. You know, for AI, what you put is what you get. So if you know how to use AI very well, to prompt AI very well, then you can definitely do prompt engineering, which is a business that can help you to earn high income. And the last one on this list is AI editing. You can actually help people to proofread their publications, whatever their write-ups, you can help people to proofread by using AI tools like Grammarly. Just impute whatever things, those publications, whatever it is, and AI with AI Grammarly, you can proofread and you can edit whatever a publication or whatever write-up. Just by doing that, you can make a lot of income, because if people don't know these things and you are there to help them, what people want is just results. So if you are giving them results that they want, they will definitely pay you. And you can use AI to achieve or to make your work even faster. So if any one of these 9 AI-based businesses I have discussed in this video has informed you and opened your eyes to see the opportunities that you can actually jump into right now, let me know in the comment section any of these 9 AI-based businesses that you're willing to start right away. Don't forget to take action, and that is when you can have a tangible result, okay? This video is just for educational purpose. Please do well to do your own research so that you can learn more about any one of these ideas that simply interest you. Till we meet again in my next video, keep thriving and don't forget to take action. Bye.